Hi, welcome to Cavity Sliders. Today we're going to go over our automatic sliding door units, the AutoCav. Automatic doors are convenient, accessible, and secure. What sets the Cavity Slider automatic pocket door system apart from the rest is our 30+ years of experience building and designing pocket door systems. We have translated this expertise into our AutoCav unit, and we are proud to say that we make some of the most reliable automatic sliding door systems on the market. We currently carry two different models: the AutoCav Residential for everyday household passage use, and the AutoCav Commercial for use in hotels, hospitals, or any other major high-use commercial projects. Both units are made with high-quality components designed with longevity in mind. With the AutoCav, you've got a heavy-duty, one-piece extruded aluminum track and carriages with nylon wheels and enclosed bearings for smooth, maintenance-free operation. Our units are compatible with doors up to 200 kilograms. All AutoCav units have no visible floor track and include safety beam sensors that prevent the door from closing if any obstacles are detected. Our units have an easy plug-and-play design, and the commercial unit is fully programmable and compatible with most control switching activation devices.